My name is Joyce Chaput and I'm a practicing emergency medicine physician. In the ER, I see a number of patients with a variety of skin-related complaints. Some of my patients suffer from severely dry skin, which can be related to diabetes, atopic dermatitis, or other illnesses such as eczema. The skin can be very rough and tight. Often it is scaly and flaky. In some cases, the skin can crack, especially on the hands, the feet, and the heels. When a patient suffers from severely dry, cracked skin, it is important to try to repair the area, to try to ease the pain of everyday activities, and most importantly, to try to prevent complications such as infection. What I like about SkinIntegra's Rapid Crack Repair Cream is that it can be used by the majority of patients since it's free of steroids, fragrances, and dyes, which sometimes can lead to allergic reactions or skin sensitivity issues. I also like that the formula was designed to penetrate the layers of the skin rather than cover the layers of the skin like many of the petroleum-based products. I've noticed that the skin seems to heal faster than with conventional methods, with a protective layer forming in just 1 to 2 days with small cracks. I highly recommend SkinIntegra's Rapid Crack Repair Cream to rapidly repair cracks on the hands, feet, and other parts of the body.